the sun never forget to shine. Sun go rise again, and I swear she gon' be mine. I love you, baby, I love you. I don't know why, and no lie, yeah. Baby, I just hope you're fine. Baby, I love you. I wish I could hold you. Don't know why.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show.
Baby, take good care of yourself.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Krusty.
Baby, take good care of yourself for me, okay? At first you were fantasy, today you're my secretary. Tomorrow, baby, we gon' marry. Then our love will go planetary, yeah. So till you're back in my arms, nobody calls false alarm. Me nothing understand. Baby, we're kinda charmed. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Don't know why, not a lie. Ooh, cause you're kinda fine. Baby, I love you. I swear I like you. Don't know why, not a lie. Baby, take good care of yourself for me, okay? Baby, take good care of yourself for me, okay?
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Girls like crazy, oh my dear. They don't care, they never play fair, so take care, oh lady. To the highest level you're rated, so I know I'm gonna be hated. So my fear is what you're gonna hear, those rumors about me. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Yeah, baby. You know me lie, know me right. I mean you for my whole lifetime. Oh baby, I love you.
Blessed day.
I swear I love you. So now I know why my butterfly. Baby, take good care of yourself for me, okay? Baby, take good care of yourself for me, okay? Baby, take good care of yourself for me, okay? Baby, take good care of yourself.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Say she the vex when she hear my name, but she see my face, then it vanish. Say she go do today, tomorrow, she say she no go do, she dey make her panic. Don't you leave me alone, baby girl, see my love, no dey vanish. Only be say she know they forget to say that be body mechanic. Why? Think about, do you think about me? I go send you my Cupido even if you call on Aladdin. Think about, do you think about me? I go send you my Cupido even if you call on Aladdin.
I go love you all night, I go touch upon it. Baby, love you all night, I go touch upon it. Show you love, make you do your body. Baby, all night, I go do your body. Think about. My heart there for you, girl, no day for sale. When we dey together, time too close. 24/7, I go there for you. Think about.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Krusty.
Even if you call on Aladdin. Think about, do you think about me? I go send you my Cupido, even if you call on Aladdin.
You always on my mind. Just wanna let you know you're beautiful. Girl, you're beautiful, a long time. Just wanna let you know the usual. This feeling is mutual, it's spiritual. Give it to me, mama. The way they do me, make a shout out Hosanna. I go carry you to Ghana. I go make you chop sweet, sweet banana. Give it to me, mama. Till where you do me, make a shout out Hosanna. I go carry you to Ghana. I go make you chop sweet, sweet banana.
Think about, do you think about me? I go send you my Cupido, even if you call on Aladdin.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Even if you call on Aladdin. Think about, do you think about me? I go send you my Cupido, even if you call on Aladdin.
They make me like a eye, something they pin in me and I can't deny. Although you kai. It's see that body with the curve, they get on my nerve. Something they pin in me, now me deserve. Although you kai. Say you are gonna nominate my number one candidate. This your love, they carry everywhere. Don't keep me waiting.
Yes, you are my nominate, my number one candidate. This love, they carry heavy weight. Don't keep me waiting.
Girl, I know
Desire,
loving you be my desire.
desire.
You dey hide me like fire.
Oh,
Don't keep me waiting. Girl, I know go tire. Loving you be my desire. You dey hide me like fire.
oh, don't keep me waiting. Oh, but don't keep me waiting. Oh, well,
I'm looking at Jim and back blend on my way now.
well, well,
Nana got my sister number, my own out, I'm a back blend on me.
well, well,
I'm looking at Jim and back blend on my way now.
well, well.
Nana got my sister number, I'm a one now.
I can hear what you say, but I heard it all before. So just be sure. Oh, yeah. Boy, I know what you like. Can make it easier. But this heart of mine, I need your signature.
You are gonna nominate my number one candidate. This your love, they carry everywhere. Don't keep me waiting.
Yes, you are my nominate, my number one candidate. This love, they carry heavy weight. Don't keep me waiting.
Girl, I know
Desire,
loving you be my desire.
desire.
You dey hide me like fire.
Oh,
Don't keep me waiting. Girl, I know go tire. Loving you be my desire. You dey hide me.
My baby, yo. She know they make her worry, yo. Now they give me body, yo. You show me love I never know. You make my heart do ting-a-ling-a-ling. Me not go fit to let go. Girl, I wanna put it on you. Girl, you fire. Me can't deny that. Many girls for me and by you bada. Tell me who on you, mommy water. I go be your Santa. Na na de, na na de. Where you day, there I go day with you. Me and you be mood. No, no. Na na de, na na de. Where you day, there I go day with you. I go day with you. Me and you be mood. Now you put the sugar for my cocoa, girl. Call me on the phone and I'll be there. And baby, I'll be there. You make a bad man one color. I'm on my way. In a little traffic, but I won't be late. Can't wait to put it on you. Anything I do it for you. Girl, you fire. Me can't deny that. Many girls for me and by you bada. Tell me who on you, mommy water. I go be your Santa. Na na de, na na de. Where you day, there I go day with you. Me and you be mood. No, no. Na na de, na na de. Where you day, there I go day with you. I go day with you. Me and you be mood. Go day with you. Can I go day with you? You got me in the mood. be there. Call me on the phone and I'll be there. And baby, I'll be there. You make a bad man one color. I'm on my way. In a little traffic, but I won't be late. Can't wait to put it on you. Anything I do it for you. Tell you fire, we can't deny that. Many girls for the hand by you, brother. Tell me who on you, my baby, water.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Where you there, I go there with you. I go there with you. Me and you be good. Now you put the sugar for my cocoa, girl. Call me on the phone and I'll be there. And baby, I'll be there. You make a bad man one color. I'm on my way. In a little traffic, but I won't be late. Can't wait to put it on you. Anything I do it for you. Tell you fire, me can't deny that. Many girls for the hand by you, brother. Tell me who on you, my baby, water. I go be your Santa. Na na de, na na de. Where you did, I go there with you. Me and you be good. No, no. Na na de, na na de. Where you did, I go there with you. I go there with you. Me and you be good.
And I'm super excited to be back on your radio. Yes, indeed. This is a big Friday. Big Friday. Yo, 93.3 FM. I think I first. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And before I forget, right, so happy birthday to the daughter of K&L Fashion, Money Arthur. She's 1 year today. God bless you. With long life and also good health. This is coming from my brother Nana Kwesi Dakwa. That's right, so happy birthday to the daughter of K&L Fashion. Right, so we're back on your radio. 33 after 10. It's a Friday. And hey, we they come jowly. You know what I'm saying? 18 minutes past the sorry, 34. What's the other thing? Where did I see the 18? Where? Where?
Where you did, I go there with you. Me and you be good. Where you did, I go there with you.
Alright, so music from Mr. Drew. Because this one, mood. And of course, I promise to put you in a good mood this morning. That's right. This is my business. This is what I do for life. Put you in a good mood. Whenever you feel that I'm here. Got you sorted. Right, folks. It's a Friday. And you're live on the radio 93.3 FM. 18th day of the month, March 2022.
Me not go fit to let go.
My name has always been a Jenny Champion Boat in Cosmos. Call me Jibruz Money.
Me can't deny that.
We call me Acosti and Branton for the perfect gentleman. Right, so show produced by Akosi at the Padumas and Unstoppable DJ Shabo. That's right, so we here. Talking about taking us to social media, Facebook, YouTube precisely. Stay with us from 9 to 12 p.m. It's all about good music, good thoughts, and trust me, I will be bringing you motivational message in a jiffy. Can Kennedy, Color Studio, and Digital Embroidery. Join us live on Facebook. And I am 93.3 FM on YouTube as well. Send me a chat, let's get interactive. On our WhatsApp number 0594-841-044 0594-841-044 and also on Facebook. Let's get interactive. You can also tweet at me on Twitter. There's the hashtag Juma at Kobina Costi. Just tweet at me. Let's get things moving right about now. Hey, it's a Friday. It's a Friday. It's a Friday. Right, so as usual, let me say a very big good morning to all my taxi drivers there. This morning I feel like speaking patois. I dreamt and I was in Jamaica, so I feel like speaking patois this morning. What I say, my brethren, my man them. What I say, me hope say everything okay. You all say you all day nice. You all say everything there correct, you know. That's right. Alright, so big shouts them to my taxi driver them. Brad David, good morning. Stagger one, good morning. MP3, Tanko, Ricardo, Medici, Obama, Obatime, Pa, Jonah. Right, so big shouts to Mr. Orbin as well. I send the phone in any back up. Salum the Gambia and Berman Quine. Folks, Life and Claire. Text mic 2, text mic 2, text mic 2. Okay. Make I go SDA. Big shouts to you. Rejoice of your beam. Hey, text mic 2. Text mic 2. To God, I love Shabu. What? Hey, Seba. Right, so if people are doubting how far you can go so far that they can't hear of them anymore. That's right. Yeah. In case people are doubting, nah, this guy not going to do to the end. Show them. Right, so 38 after 10. And this is a Hinkai 93.3 in case you just tune in from a Kobina Kosti. A brandy part of perfect gentleman. I promise you a good show. Right, so music from a Komavo. Let's go.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
This girl gonna kill me. Come meet my banana, pretty lady. Kwani me baby, the way you move that thing and wanna cool me and mommy hating me. Money mo doti yes you want nothing is happy family dream. Papa ya me here go see we are yeah. Me ni obi amumu share. Obu adi e panty me na ne ho adaje. Ono ne me fempa de. Baby I don't walk, not talk. To me this can worry up to the phone now I bet me sika, bet me dama, bet me wa mama Korea boy. Oh yeah nanta, ono ane makuma, benyami te. Minti ni ujai, ono ane me yaka, benyami te. Oh yeah berewa, ono ane makuma, benyami te. Minti ni ujai, mi una na watapa.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
Each and every day I cannot live kiss. Minty ni ujai. Ono wana miyata. Benyami kiss. Wana miyata. Benyami kiss. Wana miyata. Benyami kiss. Wana miyata. Benyami kiss. Ono wana makuma. Benyami kiss. Wana makuma. Benyami kiss. Wana makuma. Benyami kiss. Minty ni ujai. Ni una na watapa.
Obaya Fansen baby and soon can say Comavo blow soon. Soon. She say you do 3 music awards in the Joe. Greatness is on the way coming. ODA music to the whole worldwide. And I have this feeling, like this strange feeling. Said 2022-2023. Odan artist bi oye serious bi abe blow. Odan artist bi oye serious bi obe blow. So the likes of a Comavo, Joby Popkins, KT, Shanstika, Show Money, Mighty Man, and there's this kid on the blog, this new kid. His name is Yao Jenny. Go check him out. Do this super good. Yao Jenny. And a Coffee Brew, yes. Coffee Brew as well. That guy. That Coffee Brew guy, eh? Charlie, this voice, then go make him, trust me. Then go make him. Then go make her. Super talent here, you know that. But investors, so let me use this opportunity and plead on their behalf. The patron say, "Oh, if you know with him, we a big man. Please, let me say this: invest in these guys, and you will never regret." I know what I'm talking about because I've seen people who have invested monies into people's crafts, and they pay off. So if you are here in order, you have dough, you have money, please invest in these guys. Invest in these guys. See how Richie is cashing out big time from Kwame Eugene. Richie is cashing out big time. Just last week, they sold out the O2 Arena, right? In the course in the UK, they sold out the place, yeah, and it's super amazing for Ghana music. And it's a big win for ODA music or Ghana music because Kwame Eugene Yajiaboso. So gradually, Comavo nomination, in fact, recognition here. 3 music awards. Your bonfire next time. Enyo no kwa. Ebe no plus other Matisse. Gospel performance with the Jojai. They are doing good. It's Shabba Prince, Sami Kisi. I mean, just to mention a few. And there's this lady. Me who need anybody said Tricia. Something Domina. I think it's Tricia Domina or something. Yeah, my follow Nikakra. She's very good. Charlie, we got super talent for here. But support, you know. Investors, I'm pleading. In fact, we are pleading. Invest in us, eh? Come over there around. Only management team, yeah, you can invest in his career. And he's super good. Only me by Adrian. So if you invest in the Comavo, 2 seconds go here. In fact, boys, baby, they want my money management team. This guy, the American say me, Kofi Bruno. So I think that not this week was the last week, any birthday. So we'll be posting the video. Hey, these people all day or down here, like, almost 20 more about the high life, and boys, not to high life. Hey. Hey, Chebe Pacho, we invest in the boys. Right, you know, Shabo could go straight to our motivational message for the day. Ready at the Sraden, I'm going to investors in him. And Messari PTBM. Invest in our guys. Mambo be mudin because maybe I'm a man kaibimu. But there are a lot of guys here, like super talented guys. Super talented. And a bear fair ya corner ye need say. Yohano I say. Now you bought a teasby from Modan. Yes, next week or yes show UK. O2 Arena. Say the Indigo or the main arena or whatever. I order artists, you all be proud. Because you support the children drew. And I'm praying one day that could be bad. It will happen. Trust me. It will happen. Alright, so 93.3. Okay. My mama motivational message. Right, to the Color Studio and Digital Embroidery. Now, so I share my bro motivational message. You can chance man to pay. Color Studio and Digital Embroidery. A pre-wedding photo shoot, pre-birthday photo shoot, wedding photo shoot, and a birthday photo shoot and so. A picture frame in a passport picture. A band embroidery work in Israel. Yeah. Church Lacoste embroidery, school Lacoste embroidery, freestyle cap embroidery. Your training conference. It's a patch up. Paper chopper, wait till I go Color Studios and they get embroidery and pay. And I'll feel my soul to one time. Or watch more than Liberty Transport, opposite Kino Pharmacy, 024527 0245276638. 0245276638. I remember motivational message and then many titi are short to cry. Any titi are crying about. Now, so trying to grow up is hurting. You make mistake, you try to learn from them, and when you don't, it hurts you even more. Trying to grow up is hurting. You make mistake, you try to learn from them, and when you don't, it hurts you even more. I cannot pay your crash as when your motivational message. Being matured is not about age. Being matured is not about your physical looks. But saying I would me correct your mistakes. Saying I would me forward coin so say never the far a now far. Watching all the fine fan. I don't trust away you're matured. I don't trust away you. And growing up on a very hurting. A year home, obey your mistakes. Obey your talk so. You know, be brave to turn so many obstacles, but acquire over fast one, over correct some mistakes, no, and a chest of uni. Now, Emma say one shall be beer and free man. That channel ever had so. One shall be beer and free some mistake, man. That should be beer do be run. Badwin wa won ti ase. E tano payment crash asem ni. Me pa cho. Sua bibi free. Ti bia bia wure mu no. O mistake bi no try so be correct. Try share ubetu na papa na enyoma itimi aboa. So this morning, this is my daily dose of motivation in crash asem ni tete akra. Now, let me say this. So 2016. Shabu asama mekaniti ni yepa. 2016, I hosted I had an interview with Honorable William Kwetu. 2016. Yeah. Na sa time no me pon ejuma no e no bi frɛ me. Me pon ejuma no e na obi frɛ me. That was 2016. Asana me came to Nipa Nkasa Kro Kaya. 2016 me ni Honorable William Kwetu a interview. Me pon interview no. And that's my first time sharing the panel. Me pacho mo tie me pa. And no catch me say, I love how you interview the man. He's a politician. But ka o fa ni say, and ka o benya some answers from him. But all the same, you did a very good job. From Saturday no, and I'm a bear ni panel. Na or church me, o kasa say e be boa o kan say e be boa kan say e be boa. And I went off radio for a very long time. And this same person I'm talking about, it's me far from. No, my friend me, he will encourage me, motivate me, talk to me about 45 to 1 hour on the phone. Didn't come on. I almost even lost my relationship because of that, because of friend only he thinks yeah, and this person, I'm always grateful, and I will always be grateful to him. A friend and I were there for Ifa. Mom, when you're friend DJ 024, right? So, and he's here with me in the studios this morning. It's my motivator, my mentor. If I don't know how to put him, like Charlie, 21 gun salute for 024, man. He's been super amazing for me. Like my career there. When I went off radio, I was like, come on, 1 hour phone, just motivation. I was like, for a cover.
Chairman, radio innovation, I know the biggest and the hottest on innovation.
Right. And I must confess, I'm super proud. Like,
it's no. Each year you tea for Mutie 93.3, right? I ain't kind, the best in East. That is how life is. Yeah. If you are said dear. And you see so nonke you be etnitini nka, you know, 1 or 2 things bianca enko buy a bravo, but all the same, you know, yet me stand there and motivate you. So when you see your friend going to a situation and I say be we're down for a situation, be now say that is what your friend was doing and I work free out of that area. You need to motivate the person because that is your job. So if you lose your job today, doesn't mean that you're not going to get any job. You will definitely get a job. It's a matter of patience. It's a matter of, you know, focusing and also concentrating on the profession that you have. I think that is what you did. And then you are here playing the best mid-morning in Exton region. Aside Mama Justina, for sure. You should take it that one, man.
Also, I mean, anytime, any day, we teacher.
You see that, and sure. You know, why are there? Say, you know, you stood very hard. Obi owa the Juma free in Sema, he or she go away from the professional Ukraino. That is here. Yes. In the Bia to a minimum rapture. I can't remember the letter called baby a compare employment. At the end of the day, the letter here for employment and there will be a call to be 77 or the call a Janabia. You know, but we stood. Say no, this is the profession that we have choose. So we need to, you know, work on it. Now that Chibiano, a hombra and you nyam FMI. I think say and you're also a humble boy. You know, you listen to good words. So that's here. Jack, it's easy and that form. Radio culture, we say it's not easy to work on the radio. Yeah, because day in and day out, you must bring something new. So it can be before. So big ups.
Right, me go break about and then show. Yeah, and then right. So DJ Rapture is also here. Rapture go on a drive presenter or surround up me according to Philip it's here.
Hey,
Yes, mami son the mic too. Anopa. Yes, ubo TV ya. Osanu koku no wada kakra. Osara no wadi benku no wada kakra. Akodi wa chance wako
Mewa. Ejuma na dey. Because driver no enti mu. Dabi your waiter.
Ha, o no tida.
Obi la kakra me.
Anopa ne ko a.
Anopa ko ya na udi asa wako because it's a unya ho.
It's nice anopa no obedum tea.
Na apati
manum koko.
Wo dey na me kan wo ya so num tea num koko. No said even kwadi wa chance wako ana omoboa.
Charlie.
How's that? And then affordable.
Alright, folks, 93.3 of Mami ko break him Rami Koba na fe Imbuzelba na fe then so be twegu. And then me no show the DJ 224 DJ Rapture near point off. So stay tuned 93.3 FM. Yabasisia.
Ghana Kuafue, Adama West Africa, Adwuma, Adama West Africa, agrochemical company, what Israel. Now, what Nasia human who say, Kuafue Tom Nebia, and Fuet me Jimafu Nina at the Bosso, Nititru any Esre, say Esre Naji Fua Bossodia, and an American for Agile at the amount. Would you know maybe to say, Enkruma, tomatoes, Nyadua, watermelon, Meko, Ayoyo, Anafe, Abroba, Abra, Esre Nefi for Fra Ebano, if you Agile, no first spray, Esre Swanson, wet to a quakutim, and as I would wet him Puerino. Now the Agile, a spray, Esre Nina so, Shannon, Mema. Esreni nyibebre ansana de agile akwaku spray so de hia sa obehwe 10 tomatoes eketo ano no ahye ba kopedi egu kafukafu afidie yimu na do ensuo 15 liters afra wo de spray pe wawie wadwuma sa de agile spray wafu ase a emma enhirani a wo no ban na agu no entingu eno achi no ekuefo omo nso dua bibi ti se beans enkate ana fe so ya beans no omo nso hwehwe vezil ekunfue na se prekope edi free sa no be ye ase de se wo ye nie unya hu se enfue na hyase e ba pe hwehwe vezil na first spray na se wo de spray so pe ubetu enfue na se nyina wo to vezil a betimi de spray wafu na se empre nwotwe eno kure ya nso spray 1.5 acres eya no afa 30 mils ana se obesusu atre ye dididie no miensa na wodi nso 15 liters afra benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina ana se wo befre 0544 325 030 ana 0270 575 030 Adama West Africa Ghana kuafo ye jimudi
Anobites here, Drobi, and Mississippi, I may ye, and so men no anobites no. A boy, I don't know Manumbi. I'm a twice in Tinimuna and I treat me. I treat me by name, which is Shemmy, said the Yamia Domina, a giant.
Madrono aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom one bottle ti say me no yiri da be 30 minutes nti madrono de eye pa fan fabra mo
me din de ya mensa e to anobites e kono me ne ka so aboa me pa na me sisi na ye me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye e ko bibia ko kama de say me tin bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yere ehia mu a sisia na me ho asani me e ma me tumrika Toby. Me no me ya no yare no akọ.
Asa no bi tese no de do fa ase bi si ye ya to ya nso no me ni na akọ. Me ka tere wo bi o no ma no bi tese me ya do papa e be boa na ma me yare bi e wo ya.
Ano heba bitters and ano heba capsules. Enure yu ko Toby atoni mi enu ebom. Ubanya bi ato e wo atimoda ha. Ochini ba drugstore and a Ghana ha. Drugstore bia, heba shop bia, ubanya bi ato. Bitters.
Bema, now bam peble yo ne nam he ne o sha sra fo atade.
Hey, obabra me se me wo kura dwure me. Eye suku bi obi di ho adanse kire mi o. Enene asesa me ba ya bra boy. Se wa twere wasi so he ya twere. Na se wuntwa, bomodi na kopie mu o.
Hey, na suku be nko ano no.
Eye Great Omega Academy.
Great Dien.
Great Omega Academy. A na chiri kwan no wo ko forubia kokrantumi. Epue mantemu he ya.
Sa epue mantem he ya. Number da ben.
Obabra me se suku yi e ba ye enyene. Se wo na ututua so nko ade a wo twere so hwe a utwa omoye courses ni bi ti say general art, visual art, business, home economics, general science and afi technical. Baby a obeda so podie e mane nyi wadwendwe school no hostel kese e won mo de amasuafo.
Unia ene fa me ko hono men.
Ewra ji pani kwa kire phone number na friend na ji mu nkiremu. E 0243 21 4720 ana 0543 90 9502. Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Say dear, me fear higher them. Me kuna your best best man.
Say dear, mania jampa. Esa ne best man capsules a mensaka no. Enye hini habamani ndutan papa bi. Ene dia ye best man capsule. Enti free neko. Best man capsules enti. Emema nyina ye free. Say yes is yade.
Ye best man capsules.
Say bema wa ho ade abafo. Ana wanya premature ejaculation.
Best man.
Say ye low sperm count. Ana bema ontime nyuso yi. Prostate cancer. Ana syphilis ne gonorrhea. Enamu yare bia.
Oh, best man.
Neba testicular cancer. Ena penile cancer. Best man capsules. Enti member ye free. Best man capsules. Do papa. Is Chad Herbal Center. Suhum Hansa Street. And the best man capsules. Abajaso. Enti we ye bema. Entra homa ya diemu bia. Eni unyada. Oba pojuma. Ama uyama omo. Sadi ya medie eji chimiswe. Ubanya biato. Awa babi eton rubia.
Ekoko. Wuskobi Pharmacy. BB Chemicals. Ebenezer Chemical Shop. Hillside Pharmacy. Fab Drugstore. Empire So. ASM Pharmacy. Enyinem Agboko Drugstore. Achimordan. LB Amwafu.
Ochiniba Drugstore. Amwafu Drugstore. Tumesi Drugstore. Kennedy Drugstore. Kofisco Drugstore. Anafi. Always Drugstore. Kade Martin Kumi Drugstore. New Abrim Hotness Chemical Shop.
Koforidia Gapsin Pharmacy and Delight Pharmacy. Accra. Case Walk Heba. Kumasi. Kolina Heba.
And now to phone friend 020-8288-099. Best man capsules. Hey, you marry my head.
Mido, asa na di fia e hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 na ma efia e hwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA ban ni Nko Limited. Ene wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nanse nkwada nyoma ani ate se wan. Eye parazo no na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afro. Na dia ba de na wo ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Bani Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu anso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse akira mansan fa no mo wo
ban wo mo nyoma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo panido so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ba me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso omudin ni body say
JA Bani Nko Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
Salute.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the Duanwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso. Any Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy a home buying every home. And now woman pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are dimpinti. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to form friend 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Yamama kwaba eba St. Andrews SHS kase boiso. Ubi JHS afi anamfie twemu.
Computer di utu school a wani nyi humu.
Ana program edema wono wani nsha danje ho.
Ana se na pe boarding school nanso ye de utu day school.
Ana wo de computer ama school bia.
Wano ye eye St. Andrews SHS.
St. Andrews SHS A grade A private school. Wadi operation get a good senior high school of a choice. Ebramwa we JHS afi enmfia etwemu mu.
Your excellent boarding facilities. Ewo home ma ene memma. Metre bia ya woda wo beto yie pa.
Your courses be a general arts, business, home economics, general science, visual arts, and agric science.
Yawasin fosu menkesim dunkonofin enafe sahi asanwenso.
Obetima for 0244 696911 so and 020 789 1004. Kasebonesi ebusuafo yedamase.
So, I serve it hot. I give you all the gist in the entertainment fraternity. I'm the music plug too. You're from Kobina Kosti. I branch part the perfect gentleman, host of Showbiz 933. Me bring a whole new package. So meet me, I'm a pandit.
What you say? And Kolam for all genders, all age groups. That time about 3 almost emergency. That's why.
Etiana ne wansem kan no an average pundit like some of us now we find it hard to discuss him, but it's what we supposed to do because we need to do and it's show business.
Because I said I need quality on and you too high near the don't I do massive for Americans for no boys not cafe. I'm by on the music TV it's from Vegeta channel so I'm decoder so
this and every Saturday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Finally I see your face. Ooh, oh my days. I've been out here looking for you for days. Ooh, I just want to say, my head, you pay for my head. I know fit to reset, I know fit to connect. Waiting there, your back, say make a defend. I know fit to defend, even if I play defense. Myself, I can't. I fall for you down flat. I fall for you down flat, yo. Oh, oh, oh. No, you bad. I swear, you bad. I swear, you bad. No, do me long thing, something wicked day for your body now. No. I did for the mountain waiting for so long. Oh no. My head, you there for my head. I know fit to reset. I know fit to connect. Waiting there, your back, say make a defend. I know fit to defend, even if I play defense. I won't comport myself, I can't. I fall for you down flat. I fall for you down flat, yo.
Right, so 93.3 FM, Busian Mobia Kwaba Bio, Higher Henkain FM.
I swear you bad.
And I love the energy behind this song. And for the Copa F5. Now, TME. So open TV, open fridge, deep freezer, gas cooker, blender, kettle, washing machine at all. Affordable price. We share the neighbor F1. ODI Electronics. I'm recommending them. Pachobra Achim or the Chima Boabo. I can FM premises here. Oba Benibia to 0550900600 0550900600 and a fixed man capsules and so your meme drama pacho. And what Germans were a boy, mamma, with you bonjuma yupa. The Bema would say, Miss Amre, pacho, perfect man capsules. Not to Toby, fix our bella mixture and so fix our bella ointment. And so on my Boama woman, Sabios, skin rashes, on Amenim Sansania Dina, every 2 Asiasia said the fixed mala mixture, so treaty, malaria, fever, headache, cold dizziness now for general body pains. A chemo down crewman the when you be at Walgreens Pharmacy, Amwafu Pharmacy, or Chiniba, Chumesi Drugstore, and our concrete, then Takataman, so fix about Fortinabia, 0208 444442 and 0302 902 071. Now, main cost to be now for I want to imbu selba for ND in common. we are. They say they show no. Yeah, me and Sunny and they show no. But in the meantime, I'm in the kind corner of a yendi imbus to home common way. For
Kobra
yendi imbus to home common way. We are a failure shoe.
Kobra kasi yendi a drop home common.
Alright, yendi a drop papa home common.
Me da say what I'm much feeding my day. Yendi a drop papa
a home common.
Right. Kobra so jitu me say imbus a dropper.
Pa.
Enye me na me count.
Me jitu mu papa. Say they me di ho dance ha.
Amanfo. Na eka. Ye de sebio ya ye dro na ba ye nim se de dro na ho odin ye tefa enti omo ombe nom no ene ba mihu se edro we eyo ana se enyo na amanfo anom na omahu se edro no eye a omo na beka obi eni wo enti omo kana se ye te a na ya samba radio so abeka kai amanfo se de amanfo ka amanfo dia dance se edro police ne dro no eyo eboa no yanso ye babe kai ama wo hu se no edro no egusu ewo drugstore bia mu edro no guso ewo ba bia tun edro bia ye ba radio so ade bia masema me kan se ye ma ye kasa ye ma ye nkomo enwa eye kai ne babe kai se so anya bia so wedro asa eye police ne dro kona kotobi entwen Emma or how no bans on a copay do nature aquine. And obey ye by mini you my rapture. Ya bobo Dr. Lerica, ya bob police in the drew. It is all about driver, energy, and one den qua. Mess the mammy moachi. Na menda was a say a dropper in boost herba mixture, a bayano, wajia tomb, a one a doorway abba amma baby obefe beer or Ghana crudrimu as no sabekebi. Ya the way be a to beer or how be a woofim. Yade how no ma onsanka police ni nedro na adeba ko a na me fe manije ne se edro imbusa ba make sure the mpinifo a enoma omuni medro omonom omudi adanse se no wo hye mpinifo ni bi krompo na ajiunsem kobra etino imbust herba mixture ene dey ene fie yaba achimoda de ka kire achimfo nyina ne se obia nkoto police ni nedru enchiri hwe ade echiri ane se wodi besi fie wodi besi table so a onnom ka hu ni se eye busua nchemfa police ni nedru ye number is 0248 206496 0248 206496 and only your telephone number enkomo bia opese uni edi enchechemu bia opese oji free ho no me ba cho free a ye be ma 0248 206496 ene your telephone number free na yentwetwe nkomo na enchechemu bia opese ye de ma no na yetumi edi amount imboost herba mixture yaba 0246208496 0246208496 eno ane ye number ofre ya ye no betwetwe nkomo bia obeso ni yetwetwe sabre ya yaba achimodai me bacho uko Lambiambo Pharmacy Shop formerly known as LB Amwafo ewo Total Filling Station che na uko a osobeka police nedro Kennedy uko osobeka bi Chumesi Drugstore ewo Madarina uko osobeka police nedro Papa Heba ewo Achimoda Old Town obo Mr. Mine popo na wabo wi obabe kevo akọ Old Town ahimfio ho no udu a drugstore ewo o left hand side no be bacho come so become police nedro and I would do any check Cofisco Heba ewo Opportunity Bank inside wo market inside wo kakra call so become police nedro just be a to do be anywhere okwa unsa enka imboost Heba mixture nedro no adwuma eye no mami bi na ohia no se DJ24 na mikoto dwe nsuo ejiremu ma ye kire me se ye ba mi oprehin na asidan kenya nkopon se menya police ne do ni nsuo na ejina mikoto dwe nim away etisa so na make cha se wo a ukoto dwe nsuo aba be ginem na ma adwuma kọ aye odene ama bebi obekọ untumi nkọ no mesoro kọ na koto police ni nedro enye dro a ye yade ansa na yanom ye nom na bribia na boye ho ban na yetumi akoye adwuma so aba behwe efie because ukoba nyina no wentumi ahwe fie a e do how beba ukoba nyina no yade ka wo to ha hwan ena betwa nkola ni school fees ebia na o maame wo ho o papa wo hwan de be mo aduane aden edi eni nti ne yesi sharp herbs cover by Emma in boost herbal mixture de ka che oni nyina ne se bon ho ban esa se empenifo kase bia mo ka bia no no kre se so bi benya wa na efiri yade adenti ne kasa ebia yade beba no untumi nsore yade beba no untumi nya hwe hwan na akwa na soma no ena empenifo asem o mo ka ne se obiye ni obetumi ahwe obi ba iye obiye ni obetumi aye obi iye sa gisa wan kasa etino uma okwa na yade ka woto wa masa okwa kofre kwesi eba abesoma no anase adwamansa ya tewe eba ena kwa kofre ni se ombesi nkoto police ne du mfambrɛ satam na oha na amane no na edu echire edinti no yese in boost herbal mixture de chese unye bi ka wa brabo ho a de bia obekɔ wadwuma so aba Emma eye gya ho adwuma emema eye gya ho adwuma yade bia ehu pa eno ne adwuma me nana ya dankwa eyo ya ode hwe yen school e won kran na nyame adom ye ne nam bebi aninami ene bisa se me nana no wen egya no gina ho ye ho adwuma for so many years 45 years no ene amane yade bia nani beba no so no ne nam remu on nam ha eni ti no me se wa wo ye gya ho adwuma egya ho adwuma ne ye very 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 careful ma police ni nedro enka wo ho na so amana nka wo a dachi bia no o de me bo bebre me ma wonsanka imboost na emboa na egya ho adwuma na wo ye no entumi nya den yade wa ebeba wabrabom entumi si ano kwan fa ma wo egya ho adwuma na obeye eno ne adwuma wo ukwakofa adwuma ben biom etina den tina ombo ho ban na yade se ebeka wato wo pa de oni ne to kwanta a ezumutumi twem imboost eye drobia ewa hoodene the Shadeka green and white machuma edan wa wapagya dade na seal ash efam ho meserew yemfa drobia mbeka ye dro imboost herbal mixture ho da edro no eye nsuo yemfa hwemfra yemfa dade yenye no topa yeye etino mesere se ukona wuto edro na ka huni se Shadeka green and white seal efam ho kama amachuma edan se goji kire ahoden a onuma eba beba nipadwanum ede amawo kire ahoden a uba benya ebra wanum imboost herbal mixture misi mi free kwawu abai me bo imboost itimi benyina ro ma drive more than 4 hours ma bedu ma samba radio so esan kasa ma bobobi mi okay ma fibroid e ha mo mo fichi ko ayebasa mami bi o se DJ 24 mo drawing boost no yade amosi esa no esa yade bi krompo amumpo munim na se sa o se yes yade a police ne drone esa no se yes ye boboso ha ade be chien ade be san iti de meka che oni nyina ne se obesoro no property so honam ye o ya ende ne hu ndro de aba bebre but ne papa no eno ne police ne dro imboost ebe support immune system no am very strong. Immune system ne stronger de bia sorry awa hoodene ukọ wadwuma so a uye dwuma wonte bre obi wo ha kasa ye kasa wo kasa 10 minutes pe no abre obi wo nante kakra ado abre obi wo so nante a enan na esi form no ono a filise ne nan no enhye mpabo mu biom esi form ne nyina edin ne nyina etititi mesdo police ne don me sa to me sayem se enna ya ba no ye de bia be good drugstore wo achim ne mpatemu nyina eje wodi asa kona koto bi sisia achiase fon call Mary Morgan ena bra kofi ena herbal shops e wo achiase ne amanfo pon ene brema esukuma ne mpatemu nyina no police ne dro e wo ba bia ye no mane 0246 208496 0246 208496 per me experience me hu wo imboost mu ne se uye obi oye adwuma anadwe adwuma wo pon kodu fi oye de a obedidi me pacho nye didi ya no police ne do ni bi guso obon se ebe settle adwane no ama adechi a wo sori a onye cheko chese wo be feel good me pacho se me chire adwuma edro ni ya won ya beje kobna cost time ni nyina ede afa imboost herbal mixture ene ba beboa mesro etire ewo edro no so anopa nu mienu ansa na wedidi ewie odidi wi anu anu mienu enwe wedidi wi a wo kwakoda no bo mienu ne ka ho wo beda kama obesori ahoɔden mu akɔwa adwuma so obi ɔse DJ mekoto na se meda mada nondu ekɔ nondu nefa na mani so ate mani so te a mentumi nde bioma gye sɛ me ba bɛkɔ adwuma. Then I ask myself say wobɛkɔ adwuma yi na wonder from 10:30 p.m. bɛpem at that time a wobɛkɔ adwuma nyɛ nda na akɔ akɔda yɛbɛpa mo wɔ adwuma nim ɛntini fa ho to police ni ne duro so ɛno ne duro a ɛba bɛbɔ eduro Ghana ha obia gye atum a bebi a ɔbɛfa bia no obia di ho adanse adwumafom yɛ adwuma radio so enter no maduro. But I'm telling you today baby abeko bia radio bia abeko bia no presenter so wo agi police ne duro ni be no essential for the mum pedro dum sa o me ka me kire. But the way o magi police ne duro atum and I'm so no something dey there bibi wo ho me sira wo kwa kosira o maami ato police ne duro ni bi kan nefa koma no na maami ntumi ndidi maami ntumi engine home na no manyina nkoyie emfa ma no ni padwuam eti enopa awie ba ya ba radio so ni nyina ne se ye ba be kai wo se police ne duro no ebi wo ho inle eni oyo no bomitue inle no oyo ni drugstore bankable ofane call bomitue ye ahinkai 93.3 nonin ka obojiake kehilan gbona ofili fine kefi ofili akobai ne no hen wo he kote chobana ke ni bi efe basa ni bi eya no jugba your system emi tuma ke hela konta ne mobu ko yen fi o ketobo yojibo mensi se ba jugba ofane tomo in boost herbal mixture no ji chofani e badeba correct all manner of disease ni eyo o system emi ni all the time obana hewale ni oya onuchumo ofane ye shibami kata shini hela ba mobu kata shini hela kebua kebua shie koni wose komi obake mi yanka na ka echire wono no wakobo no oji ake chofa kpakpa ne ba chofa kpakpa di mofia monu no oji in boost herbal mixture yankudi kona koto police nedru eno ne edru a eba beboa eye busua nchemfa emrewan nom emrantia nom oba wo 10 years 11 years commissioner mani numbi obi osi di jotu for meet to be jam say ga me say wa uti edwaw wa what say uti bom say ga uti fa edwaw no kona koto police nedru na no na beboa mo so wo pressure omo wo ulcer oma sabe emema yede omato empania so because of omo sugar level mesida giant pania no nanum police nedru abranti bia me mani bio na ni sugar level no 12 point something osi DJ to for me sha se no police nedru na me sugar level no about down to 6 point something mami bi so shiam the same thing mo videos bebewa cobra so bad that about with that me but wow sugar akosoro sha se no police nedru na embrafom wo ulcer what pressure how be maybe our pressure esan wo diabetes when you be bounce na obema no ewuse kojo to me so in boost herbal mixture police nedru and only the best immune booster drug we bi numa ya de one ketekete e bo kokoni nyina no me so anu besi e de amount no money 0246 208496 0246 208496 eye police ni nedru in boost herbal mixture yaba no yesem ni nyina no ye de esi ye ba radio so a ye pese be kasa bebre edro pa no amanfo ne di ho adanse edro pa na amanfo ne nom na oma kanfo ma amanfo se hey edro papa bi wo ho edro papa bi wo ho ana ye nim na nyame adom se edro pa no yate ehonka se dropa na bia ba odane ne mpatem achim kotokuom enkro ni nyina no edro ni bia ba efe no police ni nedro police nedro yesi ebeye yie insha Allah akwai magani sose in boost herbal mixture no jichofani efia no ba cho ye Ghana mofia monwie isande mofia monwie ke chofa kpakpa ne ba wa chofani ewa ni hela bibi ni gbo na eya no ji in boost herbal mixture kobra mede manu besi na dia meka kire tiefo ni nyina ne se ena ya by drugstore samuni bi no dumba hu kan wo krom mu hu kan a monfrɛ ye ne fa bi mbremo oko always pharmacy shop the opportunity your friend was saying town view area mu ono okọ a unsabeka police nedro ewo babia achim sredro unsabeka police nedro babia ni wa na amene ka say okọ other provision shops are Kobra Costi. I'm telling you something, they sell in boost herbal mixture. I ask myself, say wow, provision shop no be do na police nedro sisi you a omoton aden a okọ bisa o say minumbi na eboa me. And I'm saying no, make a coffee be at home. I'm a man for a day, and you be anom. Mamma and papa would tell me you have my taxi drivers. A driver for wow, ye hard work. Wow, ye may senior would hear me. Baby near would hear me, Messido, and no payer. Konakoto police in Nedro. Konakoto in boost herbal mixture. And on eba be wow. Eba be ma a one day a ye juma I want to pay him. Now wait to walk away juma so a bribia. Now some mechanic say. So when to be young one day on cover juma so. Na dachi yade ka oto na so bi hwe wo busuama wa yade be ka wasem intiminimi yanka na aka chire eye mpenifo kasa asem bia mpenifo be ka bia meka se eye no kre intino kona koto police nedru enhwe nka se na se de no mu adene inti dabi in this agro no kra se na se no maboa dinti no o kwa koto wi ana ede dabi tisika to adru ne bon ho ban eye sene se yade be kan wato ne ba ko pesika bosia eda besa yadewa ebra police ne duwo wa ye benom na esi yade ano kwan eda mai me se entwema yade mba ahoodi wo ho ahoodi nu a fa ye wunsuo enkane ne yesusu ano ye num dudo ansana ye didi se wanum dudo do krampo efie mpo ye ma didi benku ade ache so ya toto no ye ma undi Kobra Costi we dibida benku ade ache so ya toto undi bida oh kobna bancha pesie so ade ache so ya toto enzu undi bida sa se wanum dudu anopa no adwani bi se unya bi di ofie ari azie etini mbus ne de aye no edro bi a ebe ka wa brabo ho a ene wa be konkan ewo wa pomudem afem ye no mania 0246 208496 0246 208496 embre nkokrafo ene imboost amama to omapoma atwene edoso bebre me patcho wa bre wano kona kotobi man wate na ebesiesie no akosha mansa yabo agi a wutie me unya police ne dura ebesiesie o ama enum nyina akonkan edi amao ye no mania 0246 208496 ema mo komo fichire a mo chim ansana bibiki tuwe bi tumi aba no mesino no police ne duro na ebeboa ama wafichi ko ensensem ni nyina no ni nyina akoyie edi ama kobra asembi eni obioma ye no mania 0246 208496 0246 208496 me bacho didie we odene pa ewiase so de asase so se wen didie a unya hoden da yesi fufu ya type asa na eba no because police dey do no ma emo didi unya adwane utumi didi so a na unya hoden eye adwuma kama etino ye de asem nyina ba na wieye eye 0246 208496 0246 208496 eye imboost herbal mixture drugstore bieni wa kwa unsan kabilambia mbo kwa upe bi etu a unsabeka upe ba kwa to a unsabeka me bia no mesre a drugstore for amudie so bi bana so pe police ne droni bia mu make sure say no bi na jase mo de ma no ukona so to imboost police ne droni ese edro wei esa yad what say police ne dro edro wei any police ne droni nyina every adwumakomba kwa yeboa ye ne obia bomu anye dromba ye droni fi sharp herbs cover by Emma police nedro ejo kona wuto police nedro insist sir police nedro na mepe family wise pharmacy adjacent to Duke's filling station Abuabu road here also we call police nedro 0246 208496 0246 208496 so fana chofa no we sane no ji imboost herbal mixture tell we kono nu drugstore fanny bank with drugstore fanoli call tell imboost herbal mixture for no ne ba she kono ela bibi fanny gbon call your baraka oni nation call ona ne fair show call nye fi o ke tobo of an imboost no ji chofa ni ebawabo 0246 208496 say drebenom 2022 e drebenom say ye bebo ho be free yade ho de eno an oppose ni nedro no agi so mam say ebeye yie na go de to wonder mafia machine
Right, 93.3 of Busia. My member number is 0246208496, 0246208496, and 0540710113, 0540710113.
I mean from your sister.
Say police in the drone.
Eva Banana, dangerous Casanova. Then they call me Maradona. I take to I go chop you till like Sati, and I go love you till like Confusion.
Alright, so 93.3 of Makacho said, yeah, 3 nani about show. So myself, DJ Rapture from Machamansa FM, my senior DJ 024 all the way from Boba FM. And yeah, trainer and he should maybe my training yantum. Okay, so maybe
and then I'm a course. Rapture the baby questions.
I'm going to ask a lot of questions.
Okay, right. You know, maybe try there. Friday, when you say Friday, we also this is what we do on radio. Like we just have fun. Yes, we're having fun on radio. You know, I'm here. Rapture is here, 024 is here. But I mean, I message you are from Kobe Praise. Let me check in.
Okay. Kobe Praise, Osho.
Kobe Praise.
Open popcorn guy.
Okay. You know, Kobe Praise is here. Tell 024 I said I've missed him. You should kindly look for me.
All right. I'll be there. Call you. I'll go come around.
Nice one.
Charlie, you intro big shout out to my PCC boss, Mr. Tio, Lord Pizza. Why? Big up, bro. And DVLA, Tony Yayu, Tony Montana, Tony El Shaddai, Tony the DC boy.
DVLA on there. Some of them what they call no. I mean, some of them play in the private days, you know.
Okay. From commercial to private.
Okana.
Commercial radio.
Now I come Okana. I upgrade and I said downgrade.
Oh, there we go. And the Rapture set away once and for all. Me,
okay,
Kosa, and I Eben,
okay,
man and the Kaya Papa.
Oh, Raskosa,
and
Eben.
Okay, me the Kosa then museum to no ground, and I was Mutu.
Was it Kosa Kano? Ain't me fee or dance, and do us and Eben the Anusuno, ain't me free mobile, and do in quantum,
and call reversing.
But who dare no? Fee I can't see a coffee. But on the most serious note, DJ no yade pa.
DJ because DJ 2 for student no. He's my student.
Oba won.
Okay, DJ Shabu. I mean, very good.
Yeah, music at the background. No say or heavy pa.
Very good pa. Now me person who boost a question. Now for I can say college no. And Friday, I mean everything.
Okay. So you want me to ask any question?
Exactly. We just didn't come about ODA music. I know pay me the time na me didn't come about ODA music. And me bon pa yourself bakum blow bakum fame ni ade a. We didn't come on so about ODA music na fe ahwa de.
Yeah. ODA music. But me say asembi eba won. Asembi bobo e de ba say meeting me more there, but anypa no or say right now no investment or music ni mo no onye bibi en film onye bibi en film na opese on train ho kakra
en free music ni mo
en free music ni mo enti we ni de meet me nka say bia anypa we and say we in a can assembly but eba.
But only one thing I am making catching off was music. So who invest in music? One day it will pay off.
Okay.
Yeah, music. They are now do for me, boy.
Oh yeah, for sure. In anything, so that's here. So what they see when this is what you want to do, no matter the up and downs, whatever, no matter sika washing, no. One day, if the vision and the focus are very higher, and the artist who managing so are very reasonable, very serious an artist, you make it.
Yeah,
I'm telling you.
Or you're committed into
or you're committed and you make it. There's a lot of artists. All that they know is Charlie. amount for ye binti miss me.
But only talent. I was saying, you know, Omo manage a artist for one. One thing I also Omo say. And yes, you can only say Munana now be Nescano. And yes, be any panel only go studio.
It tells you
money record.
It tells you say the person is not in music industry. The person doesn't understand the music industry. Right? Okay. Yes. If only say Otiasia. Okay. When investing, you make sure say you invest in the right direction.
Exactly.
You make sure say Ejumana me no mento to na say.
But they
play with it.
I was say we solid team.
Sure.
Team omonim say
they know music. They know how to promote.
The music.
Yeah. Right. I think the issue with the Saturday Governor Costi show so now why then. And the question of Rapture, I mean maybe some question of Rapture. We are in Ghana month, right?
Yes.
Titia Groben pa and I will Philly. Mean me Titia Gro na me Philip Abraham so here. Mama and Papa.
All right, so 055480910.
Papa. Where be that?
Oh, at the power.
Oh, cause you corner here. Mama and Papa.
Are you romantic?
Yes, I grow.
Me agree me Philip Chaskele.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, who's the typical Santa Maria boy there?
Yeah.
Who probably are the I don't know.
Where Chaskele?
Where Chaskele? All right, 055480910.
Also, okay, so na you trap and pro. Na yi mu nyina na fei. You try ano no baby near the cupboard. Ne ye dey show na fei ye dey nsuo guso.
Ready, me try no rant bi na school. De the okay bamboo ni bi ko te security man window na no di cupboard mi gu. No so what bani. Security man bi one or two no. One or two bullets.
Also bullets.
Security wow.
Also bullets.
And kind of na agro pa.
Yeah,
na agro pa.
Me dey manage here, mama and papa.
But me so na dey manage pa ni say many money bampe.
Okay.
Me dey Chaskele pa chama who so dey. Right, 05548209110. It's agro be pa na where you dey. That's agro be pa. You see your Ghana man team. Hello.
Madam Becky, me pretty Becky's passion.
Madam Becky, Pacho my intio.
Pacho Kate also for say, Mrs. Becky, I'm feeling too much.
Becky, me so my feel dread. Becky, Boza. Charlie, Becky, you too. That's my Jimmy too. That's right. Now, Becky, teacher Grobena, we need you home. Now, 1 year, Mamma and Papa Nibi.
No TV.
We are son of your Mamma and Papa.
Alright, 05548209110. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Baluso boy.
Baluso Pacho Etio. Costi, and Nelson.
Okay, Costi, your Costi.
Me Pacho.
Oh, yeah, Badu.
My head.
When you go here in this mom and Papa.
Let me, me, my name, can 2 phone on or come, Mamma and Papa. Maybe they are Chaskele.
Okay, you may be another something.
Oh, Pampi.
Open me,
Pilolo.
Yeah, full baby.
Pilolo's near the bar.
And
oh, yeah, bad. Yeah, the other won't come as a mammy, Papa, no, Osime.
And I found you, your first as a free. Hey, cousin Antaji. But you do.
A kuntum.
And
kuntum, you didn't make a piggy. Now, Yakotike, Nabi baby, a man, a bocateno.
I want to bet.
I'm with you, Femusa. And I'm a Kubio.
Not that you say.
A papa. Oh, a man who are no more pomo. And then no more pono in the Pantoshe. A grabo.
Hello, good morning, your first as a free.
Good morning.
Your first as a free.
Oh, nice. Yeah, coach. Yeah. Oh, coach, we are member sene. Why? Root.
Hey, what you for?
Hey.
Hey, my boy,
Every guy, Member sene, coach, I will be here. If you remember, this is your next one.
For say Ebunebuno. And I am for Osam too.
I have a kako.
Kako.
Yeah. And everybody train Arab. Why am I?
But I don't idea ACO or the airwaves. And the baton of Achimasa Drive has turned to DJ24, you know. So today, DJ24, you be shaky airwaves on Achimasa 96.1. Right. Now Saturday, so what's Achimwa in 93.3. I'm serving my people over there, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly. Hello, good morning. See that your first work as a friend.
I'm part of media. Mekasa free senya breku.
Actually senya breku. Me pa cho agrobe mpa na o kan.
Di mama ni papa.
Me sabe no, me mo fancy to me soon. Me yen me papa na me mama ho. Enye easy. Remember ni dia agora na me sa wo mo sa.
Na wo sa mo. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, now so sa mo.
Ose.
Ose now sa mo. Osa member na okoje den o member ne o.
HD.
Okoje den o member no a osa mo sa.
Me say wo mo. Me nya no ni nyina ye member.
Oh, okay. It you no pay member grow. No do it. Oh, okay.
All right, what's here that say? Hello.
But come na anyway, petinge. Pen nom de prayer. Nti no. Oye na petinge. Nesi wo nti wo de nesi wo a wo do so beto ne de pen no
awo
anyway alukoto
na kai
ada aso chire
jenjenje
ye de tu achi o ti wa hu yi o ati nkura
die Martin me de ye de pride be si o ye da hwe atwa wo hia Martin me de sa nti wa o last wa betina pride wa to for boy ba bo
obi ame bo sri pete obi ame bo bi.
Hello, good morning, the first workers every.
On the bright Rizzy.
Hey, Rizzy.
Only for a bad man.
Sound
Rizzy, that way.
Rizzy, way.
Bad.
Oh, future. Oh, sell out there. Future now sell out there. Now, come say, I'm not no son.
Not
to debut. I'm no son there. No, your mom and papa. And then me make confirm me.
Okacha no tonum nipo bu na be me wo. What bu na be me da no to.
Odo so no na mama ne papa.
They say, come down me they say oya sofo.
Oya sofo.
Say anyone na fa.
Oya sofo. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good morning. Hey, Nipsey.
Good morning. Boss.
Nipsey ada wadana.
Ndai.
You mama and papa now they come boy.
Oh, that be. But I grow I deep I don't cry you much mama and papa.
Hey, I grow
wow.
I grow a bad boy.
I grow
Atitati. Yes, I don't know. Mo share man mo pet dan bi na ide. Orin to my crew.
Na mo shame.
That's
right.
Na ba ko pie na ba ko dey.
Na wa bo te no obeso mutim won to mani mu a no abo di so twa na ise ne ye che wono wo pie.
No abeshim.
Edino, emema te no nyina be ko baba ko.
Lucy. David.
Emani so doso.
Edino ba we koda so hu say oh okay.
It is what man body need answer to man makem.
Na be obese akwa ba.
Eh, no ba na nyoma koswa. Hello, good morning, the first workers every. Hello?
Hello?
Your first workers every.
Nana
Samo, I went you for what to say.
Okay.
Right, then you have some batch of my minty, I grow up.
I grow near here. Yeah, the friend. You remember you,
Shimna you pina.
Osama Payeno. Na amano egina. Na memu wan sugina.
Okay.
Ya egben semna. Yo ba ngo za kwa ngo de sabato. Dema ba. Ayo de tuana sesen. Ye yuda. Ani ananta kwa ba.
Shimna you pina no. Nese obane be hwema. I don't say no for him say I know say no. I'm not saying I woman no. Omo onye fe no mo bu afu. No ono say no ye nyini dida.
Obi you.
All right. Next one.
Next one. But also bet me for 0554820910 0554820910 that for your proper channel sir. So music on the background from a Komavo. For me but who follow a Komavo.
Yeah, he's my guy, you know, and I can say I've been his help before. We all stood very highly to support him. Yeah, very good. Komavo is very good and he's under 3 Music, right?
Yes, he's
we need nomination. Only one guy KO7. Yeah, but you know, I'm
KO7 and I think say no amfa. I'm say no 3 and I'm representing Eastern region.
Oh, okay.
Komavo won in
the
Eastern region.
Oh, okay. So Tiziana is Echo, right?
Yeah, Echo and Echo representing
Eastern region. Sharp. You know, I'm even proud and I'm happy. Say Echo is representing Eastern region.
Okay.
I manage the hard work. You know, this is the thing that I was talking about. If you have something in hand, this is what you want to do, this is what you want to concentrate on. One day, the results will come. So, all the best. Bravo to Komavo. Charlie, we support him 247. Sure. So, DJs in our dying Eastern region. Yam penny yumbina, yam bona, yam supporting. They always say a guy dread. That guy's a high life guy, man. Echo, big up to you.
But for him, say I really like Echo, the spirit in there.
That's
how he put songs together.
Sure.
On the especially the content network. Echo,
and yes, yeah, Bobo.
Debbie.
So then there was all
now is it crowd? Do you what branding no crowd live band no crowd?
Yeah.
Chimmy pa.
Obi ejina so ache o ma yene nkase ni kase wi afi na yenti e Komavo sa domi we. Hello.
Okay.
Hello, good morning.
Why are they? What you so ache pa? Fache why? Hey, you from South Africa? O Kasafrin. Asani, okay, my pacho mind too.
Why? What gonna we do say here you be that?
It's your friend now, you know about attack here.
Oh, what gonna we do no jaja. Konya jadia watch no abra open no. Abra
yeah.
Oh.
Mokoda.
This guy is serious, man. Jack, baby, I wanted you too, cause my Jimmy too.
Thank you.
All right.
My this song from a Komavo.
Very well.
All right.
Sure.
show music from a Comavo, Madam. Nothing, then you back where I am there. I'm in trans and the far drink. TV.
Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your niasa. Rabbit them to sunny when I diasa. Yes, my diasa. I say forget your problem, so my brother. Brian niasa. I say forget your problem, so my sister. Hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem in 99, thinking go make 100. Timen to be a moment, dear watcher. Brian niasa, oh be bye. Oh be bye. Brian niasa, oh be bye. Brian Yasa, Rabbi Jim, Tonsani, when I diasa, yes, I'm a diasa. I say, forget your problem, so my brother. Brian Yasa, forget your problem, so my sister, hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem be 99, oh,
thinking go make 100. Brian Yasa, viva. Typical high life music pound for Odahaya about
yeah. Oh yeah, that guy is good. That guy is good. You know, Onimadia oh yeah. If you ask Onimadia oh yeah, they be calling him. Me over here, many rapture, ya femu pa. Before meeting rapture no, me body meet my cassette me free in crying ambitious rapture. I was in order to 208 at BRK from right. As I'm be free Accra bar Odan, I was a club DJ in Accra for almost about 18 years. Right. To down 25 years as a DJ. So, na me name adia me pese me achieve. Ntino me disi me so no matter what, we had the serious issues, we had the serious life, we had the serious problems and stuffs relating to our family, relating to our mother, but still, you know, we stood said that is what we want to do. And so what is a DJ 24 maybe I'm a managing radio station be a managing one. And what is a rapture and managing radio station be a managing because you're far too young. So sounds like a Comavo. What Fatun also say you want to be a musician. You want to lift Achim very high when it comes to music. So far Achim to find your ask yourself. Few. So I say, you know, I think say echo obey the young artist or free Achima or they Achim hashtag to the word, as we used to say. You understand? So he's doing a great job. Echo, wherever you are.
Now, what people can do the likes of the Republicans, Mighty King.
Yeah, Mighty King, poverty. Mighty man, poverty. Yeah, I think that Mighty man. So poverty. I did my best. About Tony, you know, no school, for you know that guy is also doing very well. But the question is, it's Mighty man, or the a no a ben edjuma. I'm telling you,
music is a part-time
passion. Then kind of stuff. Yes, she'll be to say this guy in order. Your friend is saying, oh, naughty by nature, naughty, lazy, or whatever. You know, they love the job, but obophobia anymore. Still, when you see them, who said no, that's the work that they want to do, but obophobia, you know, you know. Oh, yeah, nasunya obuafo. Then you must take it very seriously. Apart from that, no more makano and kasano because say in your mobile kuwa it is there. Oko Kofridia, they play it there, you know. But other ones, no, in Odano, we don't hear their music outside Odano. It is only in Odano, and even in Odano Crampono, just on 1 or 2 stations been heading a bomb, and even in pubs, you don't hear their music. But when you go to some other places, call daddy's buy in Kofridia, or better than your yes. If your problem in 99, thinking go make 100. I tell you no lie.
But for or try you,
yes, try.
I'm saying good. I believe sir, or not the managing.
Only management
yes,
that is
he's a teacher by profession, not outside.
He knows what he wants to, you know, gain in future. You know, oh yeah, dear. Echo is doing very well. So all that Echo need from us and it is support.
Our support. Yeah.
Let's support him because he's doing everything with his own money. On one bottom teaching your hand betriano. You know, so be a BBC na project Achim Kotokua. I think say we the people in Achim Kotoko should also support so that he can achieve his dream.
Maybe one big man from this side because I want to take 2 or 3
our big men do have the music business mind.
Yes,
that is the problem.
I'm telling you, if you go to Nigeria, those big men over there, they have the music business mind.
For this, big men now come once a people around them they know much about music.
Very well.
But sir,
they know. But sir, advice is invest any artists we move for 5 years.
Obesity stores they are high.
That is your problem.
I think say Nyame aduna say Saturday still your ha. I think these are some of the issues that we need to address. But very unfortunate. I don't know say be a Saturday if we'll be here. But Saturday will be here because I'm the official MC. Emma the 60th anniversary community health nursing.
Odan
Legon. Very well. 60 years now. So I'm here. I'm here to MC that event.
I'm Legon for. Two sex. Two way be another 2 way now.
Big up, Charlie.
Never try signing out news for now.
Yeah, for sure. It made me signing out.
Yes.
All right. 93.3 Anchor FM. Midin Eddie DJ Otufo. Thank you very much for joining us and also for listening to the best mid-morning show. Can you mask more Charlie Bolly? Monday will be right there, but Saturday is all about the biggest show base on Anchor 93.3. My producer, DJ Dr. Lyrical. Okay. Okay.
Also signing out.
And also signing out in your call.
Okay, we are live here today. Today is that way. And then Kwabena Kosti, I'm a opportunity number. Me about show ni so am I ebedin komo by the way chia I encourage for you that
sure
na muntie Kwabena Kosti
dem bia about 10 o'clock amuntie no tom
ade ba ko
o wasene be go
na ho na me pe ene me nye kan no
na de HD
ade ba ko na wono
me gina free bumbu
ye chio bibia ye do bia and let me and that almost support me when I was in Oda.
Let me check me back. Odia Kai.
Yeah.
There was a time ago, be a year or 2 ago, or be an interview or we no Boshem na me so na me be me
Omanu Payola.
Where the modu
Charlie, it's your signing off and have a great and wonderful morning. Whenever you are saying a prayer, don't forget to say one for us. We are out of here. We say bye.
Alright, so my name is Jenny Champon Boating Casmore from Jibruz Money from Kwabena Kosti, Brant, part of Perfect Gentleman. I'm out. Bye bye.